più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Adoncino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Adoncino d'amor.
Hi guys! Today Sara is going to show you
Fettuccine Alfredo.
Alfredo!
So today I'm going to show you the original recipe of the most famous Italian dish in the US. It's not lasagna, it's not pizza, it's the Fettuccine Alfredo.
Vai con la ricetta, Sara!
Now let's go with the recipe. Is that while in the US Fettuccine Alfredo are really popular, in Italy most people doesn't know them, or better, doesn't know them with this name, because in Italy Fettuccine Alfredo is simply pasta with butter and parmesan cheese, so it's just one of the simplest way to cook pasta. So most Italian people, and I was among them until not so long ago, thinks that Fettuccine Alfredo is an American thing, while they were actually invented in Rome at the beginning of the 20th century by Alfredo di Lelio.